Hi guys, my name is G and welcome to BooredFemme. This week I am super hyped because I finally got my hands on Apple's latest drop, the iPhone 12 in their new colorway, purple, as well as Apple's latest accessory, the AirTags. So what do you guys say? And we open up some boxes. Now, I have a bunch of goodies that I'm going to be showing you guys, but let's put these to the side and let's get started unboxing the iPhone. I am really looking forward to seeing this color. I feel like you see them online, but you know, when you actually have them in your hand, they're totally different. So it's really cute. Hold on. So this is what it looks like. Even though it's not really, I don't think purple is the right color. I feel like lavender, this is definitely not purple. Like if I buy a purple dress and I get this, I'll be like, that's not purple. So it's still cute though. Ooh. Okay, now what's in the box? Not much. Usual cable, not that interesting. Now, let's turn it on. So you guys are probably wondering why the latest color, and honestly, I'm not sure. Outside from it being super cute, it's really not any different from the 12. So if you already have the 12, I don't really foresee you kind of rushing to get a whole new phone. I mean, you could just get a case, but if you haven't upgraded from any one of the previous devices, then I think this is a pretty good call. I mean, it's adorable. It's really the best way to say it, but change-wise, nothing has really changed from the 12 except for the color. And this is available in the mini that starts at $699 and the 12 starts at $799. I would love to know, would you upgrade from your previous phone to this one? Let me know in the comments. So now I would love to unbox the AirTag because what I really want to see is how these two connect. Now there's been a lot of buzz, a lot of talk about the AirTags, and let's find out. Okay, now how do I open this? Okay, I have this thing. So ignore my little cutter thing. It's like from Home Depot. I need to get like a cuter one because, you know, I have a YouTube channel now, so I need cuter things. So, hold on. How do I open this? I feel like there's a better way. Okay, 1 second. Almost there. Oh God, I'm such a savage. Okay, put that. Just stuff, papers, more papers. All right, let's see. What do we have here? Ooh. So I got the 4-pack and I am really excited to take a look at these. Now they come with a little cover. Ooh. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, once you take the plastic, oh, there you go. Did you hear it? I don't know if you guys heard it. But once you take the plastic off, it like activates, it makes like a little sound that I guess it lets you know that it's on. And also when you order them, you can order them with emojis or you could put words on them. So I feel like that's pretty cute too, like if you want to give them as a gift. So I'm just taking these off. I'm gonna activate them all. I don't know if you guys heard that, but super cute. I can see myself. It's like a button, like a massive button. Whoa, it's massive in comparison to a button. Not that it's massive on its own. Oh, there it goes. That's 3. Ooh, I kind of like that sound. It's kind of cute. It's kind of like a ringer or something. Okay, Now, 4 of them. Let's see what it does. Oh, there it is. More than one AirTag detected. Bring first. Okay, so it's too many. It's confusing the system. So we're gonna put these aside. Let's start with one. Name the AirTag. Huh. Let's call this keys, just because it's enable additional AirTag features by sharing this iPhone's location. Use this. Oop, there's my face. Setting up my keys. Ooh, done. Okay, so that's the first one, which, well, how do I not get them confused now? Okay, so I'm gonna put this over here. That's for my keys. And I'm gonna set up a second one to see what it does. Oh, there it is. Connect. What do we wanna call this one? Let's call it, I don't have, oh, handbag. All right, so that one's that. Well, crap, now what do I do? How do I know which one's which?
Use your keychain holder.
Well, I haven't opened it yet. All right, so to not get them confused, I got my little Spigen keychain. So this one retails for $25. The Apple ones are $35 for the same set, so I feel like this is a better deal. All right, so this one's called keys. This goes in here, snap it, and I can attach this to my keys. But I think what we really want to know is what happens when you're not next to it? How do you find it, right? Because the whole point of this is you lose something, you need to find it, right? So Bay, AKA Bored at Work, is here with me, and he is going to snatch one of them and hide it somewhere around the house. And I am going to go on a scavenger hunt to find my AirTag. Wish me luck. First things first, in order to find the device, you need to first go to the Find My application on your phone. So when you start the app up, you're going to see devices and items. You're gonna wanna go to items. Items, and they're going to, all of your AirTags are going to show in here. So right now, the one we're looking for is my handbag. So you have two options. You can play a sound, which it'll basically beep, and it's gonna be a very faint sound, but definitely something you can hear, or you can do Find Nearby. Now, that's the one we're gonna focus on because that is going to actually show me in which direction to walk to find my AirTag. Okay, so we're gonna start with my keys because I know they're right next to me, and find. And this is what it looks like. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. So what does it do? What does it do? What does it do? Oh, cool. Okay. So we found one. Got that. That's easy. That was a tester. Now let's find where Bored at Work put my handbag. Find. Searching for signal. Okay. So I think that means that I am not close to it. So let's walk around the house. Okay. Okay, it's not working. All right. Let's go upstairs. Searching for signal. Okay. Which way? No. Oh, connected. Try moving. Connected. Am I getting, oh, okay. I think I'm getting close. Okay, I think I'm getting close. 5 feet? Ooh, 3 feet? Wait, he put it inside the plant? No, he wouldn't do that. He wouldn't hurt my plant. Is it in here? Hold on, guys. No. Oh my God. Where? Oh my God, he put it in the plant. Found it. You can also use the identify found item. And this feature is more like, let's say you mistakenly grab someone's AirTag. I mean, they all look the same, so it's kind of easy to do. And you want to identify it. If you click on identify found item, it is actually going to give you the information of who to contact to get the lost item back, which I think is pretty cool. Okay, I had way too much fun finding my AirTags, but in all seriousness, I really have to think, like, where would I use all 4 of these for? Like, my key seems obvious. Like, I feel like all of us lose our keys, like, whatever, that's normal. But like, what else do I lose that I would put them in? Like, I lose my phone, but I need my iPhone to find my iPhone. So that's not gonna work. My sister, she's always worried about her cat stinking out the house. But I feel like, would you put this on a pet? Like, is it a little like too big for like your cat? I don't know, maybe that's a little weird. And you know where I would put it on though? Like my luggage. Like when the world opens back up and we get to travel again, like putting this in your luggage instead of like, you know, the old school tags where we used to write our addresses down, like this could work. Yeah. But like, imagine like you land, right? And like, you like pull up your app and like your AirTag's in a whole nother country after you landed. Like that would really suck. Anyway, tell me in the comments, are you getting the AirTags? And if you are, please tell me where you would use all 4 of them for. Or maybe you only buy one. Are these a must-have? Or is this really just another one of those things we don't really need, but we kind of like to get them anyway? Anyway, I would love to hear your thoughts. Leave them in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And remember to subscribe to my channel. Also, find me on all social media, BooredFemme. Remember, that's with 2 O's. I would love to talk to you guys on there too. And I will see you guys next time.